Yo guys, what's up mga kabarangay? Just wanna share kung paano ko minomotivate yung sarili ko. You know, I'm alone here. Tumatakbo mag-isa habang umuulan. Ganito kasi, everyday, nilalagyan ko ng positive thoughts yung utak ko. And at the same time, minomotivate ko siya by saying on myself, I am good, I am great, I am amazing, I am a winner, I am grateful, I am good looking, I am sexy. What's mine is already mine. I'm going to get what I want in life, whatever it takes. I am successful. I am consistent. I am committed. I am the best version of myself. I am the one who will cut the generational curse on my family. I'm not a loser. I'm a winner. It doesn't matter how long it takes, but I am going to get there. I'm going to get it, how hard it is, no matter what. You know guys, talking with yourself is very helpful. It doesn't matter where you are right now, kung ano man yung pinagdadaanan mong hirap sa buhay, pagsubok, illness, financial crisis, life crisis, or whatsoever, you need to talk positively on yourself. You need to put positive thoughts always in your mind. Because when you have positive thoughts in your mind, you also have a positive life, better life will come. It doesn't matter how long it takes, as long as you are keep moving forward in life. If you fail, keep moving. If you experience losses in life, keep moving. If you're sad, just keep moving. Enjoy the journey, guys. If you are watching right now, this is your sign. We start doing a daily positive talk in your life. When you woke up in the morning, remember God. You need to say, thank God, thanks for another life. Then fix your bed. As simple as that. Huwag mong iiwanang nakakalat. Kasi paggising mo, that is your second achievement on that day. Why? First is you woke up, you get another life, you get another chance to live in this world. Second, fix your bed. That's your second achievement on a day. Third, drink your water. Okay? Drink your water as always after you wake up in the morning. Alright, this is my content, mga kabarangay. Still raining. Fuck shit. Woo. No one can stop me for being self-motivated. This is a challenge also, guys. I set my goal to run every weekend after my work. This is also my way of being disciplined trader. You know, I want to be a consistent, profitable trader so that I'm going to have another cash flow outside my job. I know it's hard. I know it's stressful, especially when you experience consistent losing on your trade. But as I said, you need to have a positive thoughts. Don't be fearful. If you experience consistent losing on your trade, as long as you have your own strategy, better psychology and risk management, just keep moving. Keep moving forward always. Just keep trading, then you will experience winning. Continue again until you become a consistent, profitable trader. This is my first time to create like this kind of content, running while talking, and hindi ko na napapansin, malapit na ako sa bahay ko. Malapit na ako matapos. Bye, see you again.